Jai Shri Gurudev. We can continue the continuity of class 12th. Find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at indicated point in the following problems. Makla. Our aim is we can find the value of k. Nandu aim enide antandre we can find the value unknown value of k. We can take the condition f is continuous at the indicated point. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಅವನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. We can take the problem f of x is equal to k times cos x divided by pi minus 2x if x not equal to pi by 2, 3 if x is equal to pi by 2 at x is equal to indicated point is we can check it as the function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Our aim is we can find out k. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅದು ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಆ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವರ್ ಏಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ the function is already continuous at that particular point. We can say that the limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x equals limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x equals limit x tends to pi by 2 f of x. All these are equal at the point andre the left hand limit of pi by 2 equals right hand limit of pi by 2 and exactly equal to pi by 2. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ x tends to pi by 2 minus we can take the value f of x can take it as k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. If we replace f of x by k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. Similarly, limit x tends to pi by 2 plus means the value of x is more than pi by 2. The value of x is more than pi by 2. In that reason also we can take f of x can take it as k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. This also is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2. The value of x is equal to pi by 2. The functional value of f of x can take it as 3. Next we can take we can limit x tends to pi by 2 minus is replaced by limit h tends to 0. If we replace x tends to pi by 2 minus limit x tends to pi by 2 minus is replaced by h tends to 0 in function. If we replace x by pi by 2 minus h, k times cos pi by 2 minus h whole divided by pi minus 2 times pi by 2 minus h. This is similar to limit h tends to 0. Same way makla illu ashte limit x tends to pi by 2 plus is replaced by h tends to 0. Automatically in function if we replace x by pi by 2 plus h, in that reason we can write it as k times cos pi by 2 plus h divided by pi minus 2 times pi by 2 plus h. This is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 3. We can can take all these are equal. This is first ratio, second ratio, third ratio. All the three ratios are equal. One and another will also be equal. In that reason we can take the ratio first and third. We can evaluate the value of k. Limit. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಏನು ವೇರಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಮೂರನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ h tends to 0 k times cos pi by 2 minus theta. Already we can go to allied angle. Cos pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta is lies in first quadrant. First quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive, but pi by 2 is there. In that reason function can change us to co-function. We can write it as sin theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta can be replaced by sin theta. In that reason cos pi by 2 minus h can be written as sin h divided by pi minus. Minus 2 is multiplied by both the term. Minus 2 into pi by 2 is minus 2 into pi by 2 minus into minus plus 2h equals limit x tends to pi by 2, the value of functional value is 3 constant. Therefore if we take any value of x, the function can be taken as 3. Limit h tends to 0 k into sin h as usual ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, divided by pi minus 2 to get cancel. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ the remaining term is pi plus 2h equals 3. Once again plus pi and minus pi will be cancelled in denominator. The remaining term is limit h tends to 0 k into sin h divided by 2h equals 3. Once again we can go to the last year. We can prove it. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x can be taken as 1. We can prove it, the theorem. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x value can take it as 1. In that reason limit x tends to 0, the value of this can be taken as 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Limit h tends to 0 sin h by h, same way sin h by h can be written as 1. The remaining term is k by 2. K by 2 is not containing any h value. In that reason we can take it as k by 2 equals 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ k by 2 ಏನು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ h ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we can directly remove the limit. We cannot apply the limit in this function. k by 2 is equal to 3 implies k is equal to 6. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಿದ್ದೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ 1 marks. The second step is limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x can be written as, if we replace the value of x value is less than pi by 2, functional value can take it as k into cos x by pi minus 2x. Pi by 2 plus x, the functional value can take it as k cos x pi minus 2x. X tends to pi by 2, functional value can be 3 or this. We can write this or this, we can award 1 marks. Next, if we replace limit x tends to pi by 2 minus h is replaced by second step, we can award 1 marks. Limit h tends to 0 k cos pi by 2 minus, and if we replace x by x tends to pi by 2 minus is replaced by h tends to 0, the function can be replaced pi by 2 minus h. Award 1 marks. This step we can award 1 marks. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ 1 marks ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 4 marks. ಎನಿ in these 2 steps we can write any one step, we can award 1 marks. We can write any one step, award 1 marks. we getting k value 1 marks. Must and should ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 4 marks ಇರುತ್ತೆ. X less than or equal to 2, 3 if x greater than 2 at x is equal to pi by 2. The indicated point is we can check the continuity. We cannot check the continuity. Our aim is we can find out the value of k. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ continuity ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Our aim is we can find out the value of k. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x equals limit. The sufficient condition of continuity ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ left hand limit is equal to right hand. Function is continuous at indicated point. The left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. The right hand limit is equal to the particular point. All these three are equal to each other. Limit x tends to 2 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ the value of x is less than 2. The value of x is less than 2. The functional value can take it as kx square. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x can be take it as kx square. This is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x can take it as 2 plus andre the value of x is more than 2. In that reason the functional value can take it as 3. Therefore this is equal to limit x tends to 2. The value of x is equal to 2. The functional value can take it as kx square. If we replace x tends to 2 minus is replaced by h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, k time, if we replace x tends to 2 minus, automatically the function x is replaced by 2 minus h whole square. This is equal to limit x h tends to 0, there is no x value containing as usual 3. Therefore this is equal to limit x tends to 2 k x square. ಈಗ we can take any one of any, all these three are equal. Our aim is we can take any two are equal. We can take first or second or third. We cannot take first and second because both left hand limit and particular point unknown k is containing. In that reason we can take these two. We can find out k, or we can take these two. We can find out k. We can ನಾನೀಗ ಇದೆರಡನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ h tends to 0 k ಅಂತ 3 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the value of limiting value of this becomes 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The limiting value limit x tends to 2k into x square ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the value of this becomes k into 2 square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 3 is equal to k into 2 square is 4. Our aim is we can find out k. That reason 4 can go to the left side. 4 by 3 is equal to k. Same makla illu ashte we can award 4 marks. Idukku we can asking 4 marks in annual exam. These two steps we can write any one of these steps. We can award 1 marks. We can take 1 marks. We can write it as 1 marks. Our aim is we can find out k value, award 1 marks. F of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to pi cos x if x is greater than pi at x is equal to pi. At x is equal to pi ali the function is already continuous, but our aim is we can find out the k value. Same way makla we can take limit x tends to pi minus f of x equals limit x tends to pi plus f of x equals limit x tends to pi f of x. The x value is less than pi minus the value of x is less than pi. The functional value can take it as kx. The x value is less than pi. Functional value can take it as kx plus 5. In that reason, limit x tends to pi minus f of x can be take it as kx plus 1. This is equal to limit x tends to pi plus the value of x is more than pi. The value of x is more than pi. Functional value can take it as cos x. Therefore this is equal to limit x tends to pi exactly equal to x value is exactly equal to pi. Functional value can take it as kx plus 1. Same way, if we replace x tends to pi minus is replaced by limit h tends to 0, if the function can changes, if we replace x by pi minus h plus 1, therefore this is equal to limit h tends to 0 cos pi minus h, therefore this pi plus h, therefore this is equal to limit x tends to pi kx plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೂರನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ if we replace h tends to 0 in the given equation, this can be written as k times pi minus 0 plus 1 equals, if we replace h by 0, therefore this is equal to cos pi plus 0. K, pi minus 0 is pi, k into pi is k pi plus 1 equals cos pi plus 0 is cos pi ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What about cos pi ಮಕ್ಕಳ? We can go to the trigonometry function. Cos pi is minus 1. The value of cos pi is minus 1. K pi plus 1 equals minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If we replace cos pi by minus 1, we can go to the trigonometric ratio. Our aim is we can find out k. In that reason, plus can go to the right side. K pi equals minus 1 plus right side ಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ once again minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 1 minus 1 both are will be adding minus 2. K pi is equal to minus 2. Our aim is we can find out k is equal to minus 2 by pi. The value, the function is continuous at x is equal to pi. The unknown value of k can take it as minus 2 by pi. Can do 29th question. F of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to 5, 3x minus 5 if x greater than 5 at x is equal to 5. Last problem we can find out the similar problem at x is equal to 5, we can do it. The next problem is find the values of a and b. Our aim is we can find out the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x is equal to 5 if x less than or equal to 2, kx plus b if 2 less than x less than 10, 21 if x greater than or equal to 10. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 2 to 10 ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 2 to 10 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎರಡು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಒಂದು x is equal to 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು x is equal to 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎರಡೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to at x is equal to 2. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x equals limit x tends to 2 plus f of x equals limit x tends to 2 f of x. The value of x is less than 2. The value of x is less than 2. The functional value can take it as 5. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x can be take it as 5. Limit x tends to 2 plus the functional value of x, the value of x is more than 2. The 2 less than x means x is more than 2. The functional value can take it as ax plus b. Therefore, this is equal to limit x tends to 2. The value of x is exactly equal to 2. The functional value can take it as 5. Similarly, limit x tends to 2 minus is replaced by limit h tends to 0. The functional value cannot be changes, as usual 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Limit h tends to 0. The functional value can be changes. X is replaced by 2 plus h plus b. Therefore, this is equal to limit x tends to 5. Similarly, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 3 ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಏಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ and method, in that reason we can take h tends to 0, this can be written as a times 2 plus 0 plus b equals 5. 2 plus 0 is 2, a into 2 is 2a, 2a plus b is equal to 5, call it as equation 1. Case number 2, at x is equal to 10. Same way, limit x tends to 10 minus f of x equals limit x tends to 10 plus f of x equals limit x tends to 10 f of x. The value of x is less than 10. The value of x is less than 10. The functional value can take it as ax plus b. Limit x tends to 10 minus f of x can be take it as ax plus b. This is equal to limit x tends to 10 plus f of x. 10 plus and the x value is more than 10. X value is more than 10. The functional value can take it as 21. This is equal to limit x tends to 10. If the value of x is exactly equal to 10, the functional value can take it as 21. If replace x tends to 10 minus by limit h tends to 0, if a functional value can changes from a times 0 minus h plus b equals 10 minus h plus b equals limit h tends to 0 21 equals 21. Illu ashte all these are equal, but our aim is we can take out first matte third athwa first matte second anna tagoli. Limit h tends to 0 is replaced by h is replaced by 0, a times 10 minus 0 plus b equals 21. 10 minus 0 is 10, 10 into b, a is 10a plus b equals 21, call it as equation 2. Using 1 and 2, our aim is we can find out a and b. In that reason, we can using 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 2a plus b equals 5 to 10a plus b equals 21. Already we can learn makla, high school alla kaltidira. This becomes a linear equation, simultaneous linear equation. We can evaluate from 1 and 2. First we can change the sign of second one. Plus b minus b get cancel. 2a alli minus 10a na subtract madre minus 8 agutte. 51 alli minus 21 na subtract madre minus 16 agutte. Our aim is we can find out a. A is equal to minus 16 by minus 8. Therefore the value of this becomes 2. Allige a value becomes 2. Put a is equal to 2 in 1. ಮಕ್ಕಳ 1 ಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕಿ 2 ಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕಿ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು 1 ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 2 times 2 plus b equals 5. 2 into 2 is 4. Our aim is we can find out b. In that reason 4 can go to the right side. b minus 4. Therefore the value of b is 1. Therefore the given function is continuous at x is equal to 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ continuous ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಮತ್ತೆ b value can take it as a value becomes 2, b value becomes 1.